welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be making the wall of attraction. I don't know if anyone has ever called it like that, but it's basically a dream board on my wall that is based on the law of attraction. So first of all, before I start making the wall of attraction, you have to understand what law of attraction is. To me, the easiest way to understand it is the law of attraction is the ability to attract things you want in life by focusing on it. And everything in life has this different level of vibrations. Positive and good things have high levels of vibrations, and the negative ones have low vibrations. The universe will respond to both positive and negative vibrations that you're giving out, and the universe will give back to you things with the same level of vibrations that you're giving out, if that makes sense. So, for example, you have a bad day, and you are focusing on all the bad things that happened that day. You are being sad, being depressed. That means for the rest of the day, you are just going to attract more bad things to your day. But the other way around, if you are focusing on the good things, you're staying positive, you're trying to be happy, you will get good things in that day or maybe in your life. Because the more you think about something, the more you're attracting it. So if you want to be successful, for example, think about it. Think about the life that you have when you are already successful. Think about the things you want to do when you are already successful, and just think about it as much as possible, and you are gonna make it come to you faster. But you have to really want it, and you have to feel like you deserve it, because you get what you think you can have. So if you feel like you don't deserve it and you keep thinking like, I wouldn't be able to be successful, then it's not gonna come to you because you are not fully committed to it, and the universe will not give it to you. And there are a lot of techniques that you can do to make the law of attraction work faster. The first one is creative visualization. The second, there's dream boarding, which is what I'm doing right now in this video. The third is try to live your dream life and imagine that you are already getting what you want right now. There are a lot more methods, but I'm not going to talk about it right now in this video because I have just started my journey probably like 2 weeks ago. The law of attraction is working in your life in every moment, even when you don't realize it. So when I say I started my journey 2 weeks ago, it doesn't mean that the law of attraction hasn't been contributing to my life before that. I just don't realize it. Hey guys, it's me currently editing this video, and I realized I haven't said this. As I said many times in this video, I'm just starting this journey, so I only researched the general things about law of attraction, and I haven't really go to much of the details. So please do correct me if I'm wrong. I don't want to be spreading false information out there. So if you feel like what I said is incorrect, please comment down below and correct me. That will help me so much. So yeah, that's it. Thank you. Alright, this intro is getting really long, so let's just get into the video, making the wall of attraction. First thing you need to do is go online and find some pictures that will inspire you or, lead you closer to your goal. It can be anything, the food that you want to eat, the places you want to go, or maybe just outfit inspiration and all those things that you can find on Pinterest, Instagram, Facebook, or even Google. I do recommend finding pictures that has the same color tone because that will make the wall of attraction look way more aesthetic. Once you're done collecting all those pictures, go ahead and paste it on Google Doc or Microsoft Word like I did, just so that you can adjust the sizes and you won't waste any paper. After resizing everything, just print all of the pictures, and there's nothing much to say about this process because it's pretty self-explanatory. I printed about 13 pages of pictures, and that took me a really long time to wait for all of them to print out. Here is the overview of all of the pictures that I print out. And I didn't mention this before, but quotes are also really amazing for this wall. Not only it will motivate you, it will also make the wall more balanced because it's neutral and all the other pictures are standing out, has different colors and stuff. Alright, this is where it gets really boring. Cutting out all those pictures probably took me like 3 hours, or I don't know, because I do it while watching YouTube and I didn't do it all at once, so I don't really know. But yeah, it's really boring and I made a mistake. I should have leave a white outline around all of these pictures so that when I put it all together, it will look more connected. Okay, so after that, I added double tapes in the back of all my pictures. And I recommend the sticky one, but not too sticky, because if you ever decided to take it out of the wall, then you don't want to stain your wall with that double tape remainings. So it would be best to try and stick a random piece of paper on the wall and then see if the double tape sticks well, but not staining your wall. I really hope that makes sense to you. Finally done. I've used almost 3 rolls of double tape for this. And I finished all of these. Okay, now it is time to assemble all of the pieces together and try to create the perfect layout for the wall of attraction. And this is the process that took me the longest time to do. Like, it took me days and I didn't record all of them because I know it would be like so long to record all of it, because I tried a lot of different layouts. I tried to consider the color scheme, the spacings, and I don't want quotes to be close with other quotes, so I try to spread it out, and here are all of the layouts that I tried. You see there's a lot. And finally I chose this one. I did try to move it to a huge black paper to see that it would look better, but it doesn't turn out that good because the colors are all popping out and it doesn't turn out like how I want it to be. So I end up moving it for no reason, and I don't use the black paper after all. Alright, I'm sorry for this unpleasant outfit, but I'm just not in the mood to wear anything nice, and I just need to be comfortable so that I can finish this without any mistake, because I can't make a mistake. So now I'm stressed. I'm scared this is not going to work. By the way, I have the picture on my phone. I'm scared. Alright guys, we have reached the last and final step of this project, which is just sticking everything to the wall and try not to mess up with the layout that I have made before. This part is really stressful for me because I cannot make any mistake. I want this wall to be perfect, and I want it to always attract my attention and be amazed every time I see the wall. I put so much time and effort for this project, and if you want to know how many days it took me to finish the whole thing, just count how many times I changed my clothes. I find this process really satisfying to watch, so I'm just not gonna talk and let you watch this with some music. My finger is literally bleeding right now because of the papers. It's really sharp on the edge and yeah. I wrapped my finger with a tissue just so that I remember not to use my right thumb when opening the tapes. And I end up cutting my left thumb with paper as well. So it's finally done. I'm really tired right now. And I'm gonna show you the finished look tomorrow because right now I look like a mess. My room is a mess. It took me 2 hours to do all that, and I haven't cleaned up my room, so I'm gonna show the finished look tomorrow. And now I'm gonna go to bed because I have school tomorrow at 7. But I'm really proud of what I did. So yeah, see you guys tomorrow. The next day I added some fairy lights, and this is how the final wall looks like. So that is it for this wall of attraction video. I hope my explanation about the law of attraction can help you in some way, because there are a lot of people out there that are successful because they are applying the law of attraction in their lives. Unfortunately, since I've just started this journey, I couldn't share with you my experience with the law of attraction yet, but I will continue to work with the law of attraction. And if at some point I have reached my goal, I will definitely make another video and share my story with you. But for now, that is it. I will do more research about the law of attraction, and I will make another video about it if you want to. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and turn on the post notifications so that you're notified whenever I post. And I would really appreciate it if you would like this video, because I put a lot of time and effort for this video. Okay, see you next Friday. Bye.